Well, just a short week in Sydney. Wasn't even a week, probably a couple of days. Anyway, up to Pittwater. Pretty short and sweet, very uneventful. Of course, we had to have the Easter before we took off. Easter Sunday. Grey skies, but doesn't worry us because we're
matching
getting out of here.
That, eh? Both from Vinnie's, $6 each.
Mine was Kmart.
Still
$6.
Oh, there you go. Stop showing me out.
Here we are leaving the Sydney Heads. Yep, getting bumpy. Not much to see here, just wave after wave after wave and listening to the generator. Anyway, lucky they took their quells because it was a little bit bumpy, as you can hear. Anyway, a few hours of this. Playing some video game and crosswords. They're fearing for their life. Many more hours of this. Then some excitement. Another boat. I finally saw another boat. And everybody knows what another boat on the water means. A race. Even if they don't know about it. He's got me by about 3 or 4 lengths. He's changed sails. I've held my ground on my sails. Now the wind's died off. Not so much of a race anymore, more of a drift. But we still made it. We're close to the end. Here's another update. Righto, race update. He's dropped his Genoa down, so he's dropped off some speed. I think we've still got him now. So. Just about to round Owen Joey headland. Petrol prices, eh? There's my petrol. Any fans of Home and Away should recognise this place. Palm Beach. So we've arrived, we've anchored up, heading to the beach, all dressed up as you can see. Gonna go and climb this mountain up here. Of course we've always got a skipper who takes us into shore. Every time he has to drive. Thank you. Catch you later. Got to get some sustenance before we make this big walk though, of course. And the boy gets the pink one. Righto, time to stretch the legs and get up this hill. I believe it's 400 metres this way and 800 metres the other way, so we went the shorter way. Of course it was the hardest, but the views aren't too bad and the conversation was pretty interesting on the way up, as you'll hear.
That's a good surf. We can go surfing after this.
Oh yeah? Do you see anyone out?
No.
Right then.
There's not much people here.
Wrong.
There's no houses here.
How many people have you just walked past?
Yeah, but they all look close. But what if there's a... See, look at that wave, Dad.
Well, we finally got to the top of the hill. The old lighthouse there, still standing, of course. And the views aren't too bad. Couple of selfies.
The outgoing tide.
Huh?
Outgoing tide there.
Playing out with the new Insta 360. Look at that for a view. Surf on one side, river on the other. Oh, and that view. There's the old girl.
Yes, I do need your help.
Mm-hmm.
Why can't they be right there? We're so bad.
Go.
Thank you. We're heading in the boat up to Queensland. Thank you.
I just want to see how clear it is.
What happened?
Hold that down.
Oh, seaweed. Maybe a bit more out. There's too much seaweed.
We'll just over here just to check out the water and see if the fishing's any good.
Put the motor up. Oh, I didn't have to. Oh, right here's good though. I ran the box, it's clear there. I reckon you can dive. What about a bit more out? Dave. What about a bit more out that way?
I'll have a look.
What, Dave?
Have a look.
I want to check something out.
You won't shoot through there.
No, I was checking with that white stuff. It's just sand.
Pretty much sand right up to the rocks.
Huh? Pretty much sand right up to the rocks. So it's good? What about over there? I want to check over there. Oh look, it's a cool little we can go like exploring, Dave.
I think there's a sign there you can't walk around. Alright, so we're going to do the bed and we'll have some lunch. Get something out for dinner.
Can I drive the dinghy?
So after lunch, I got the confidence to get the
Last
drone
time,
up.
If there's
We
if
didn't
it's
see the
not a
practice
marina,
bit
then
before
I can
this, but the sun's just setting and it's a pretty good afternoon. Today I didn't actually have any beers, so probably why I know how to drive this thing. Look at that. Pretty spectacular place. Not a bad anchorage. The swell was pretty big and it was coming through the entrance, bouncing off the other side and then coming back at us. So the sleep wasn't great. So we headed up to Pittwater the next day, to a place called Morning Bay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.